brand is best of all AI. I think branding was a good topic to cover tonight. A little bit about PR, what it is, and how to put those 5 principles down that you want to be known for when it comes to branding. Branding is something that's very, very important, and it follows you throughout your customer journey. So it's always good to keep note of what those things are. Before I came here, I was looking into press releases. So that's something that I plan to follow up on following this meeting. It's something that really does help to get you established. As he mentioned the word knownness. Never saw that word before, so it's an interesting word to use. But it's good to know that you need to be known, especially when you're starting up, so that you can make your mark on society, as it were.